हेलो एवरीवन। मैं आज आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ एमएस एक्सेल का हैक, हाउ टू calculate the total number of sales in this excel sheet. Suppose if we have been assigned a task to calculate the total number of sales in each table, so first way is to select the cell where we need to calculate the total number of sales. Then we need to press alt equals and hit enter. But doing this for each table will be a tedious task. So in order to achieve the results in efficient way, we need to do it differently. I'll show you. First we need to delete this data, then we need to press control and we need to select the cells where we want to calculate the total number of sales for each table. Like this, we are selecting the cells and then we need to press alt plus equals. Guys, see how efficiently we have retrieved the data. And guys, I hope this trick will work for you and it will be beneficial for you. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please do like the video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thanks.